Hey folks, Melvin here, Russ Darrow Mitsubishi, and I'm going to show you my favorite car on the lot. This is the 2021 Dodge Durango RT. This bad boy right here is making 360 horsepower out of the 5.7, excuse me about that, Hemi V8. This thing does have the 20-inch alloy wheels, and if you're wondering about this beautiful color, it is called Billet Metallic Silver. This thing does have parking sense in the front and back, so it's like when you're backing up and everything like that, or you move forward, it's going to warn you, hey, you're getting too close to things, don't ruin me. Coming in the inside, I'm going to get on the driver's side. This thing does have heated seats, heated steering wheel for both the front passenger and driver. This does have wireless phone charging. You do have aux cords for both driver and the passenger to play around with. This huge display screen that does use the Alpine system, so that's the highest system they got on this bad boy. You do have access to put the third row down from this page right here. You go to apps section, and you can use Alexa, your device manager, which is going to allow you to swap your phone and everything like that. We can go home, you can connect your phone. You do have navigation placed in this vehicle, and it does have its own memory seating, or I like calling it the his and hers when you got the special lady in your life or significant other. Coming to the outside, this does have a bench chair in the back with the heated seats, so your kids don't have to feel like they're left out. Mom and dad got heated seats, we don't. Well, guess what? They get heated seats too. Right here, boom, cup holders, so they don't have to spill all in your car and ruin it. And if they want to bring their friends along, or they got cousins, you have enough room for them too. Coming to the back side, like I said, this does have park sense in the back, so when you back up into things, it will actually warn you, hey, you're backing up into something, don't damage me, please. And automatic liftgate. Best thing about this thing, with 360 horsepower, making 390 foot-pounds of torque with all-wheel drive, you can tow up to 7,400 pounds. So a family vehicle that can tow up to 7,400 pounds, that sounds like the perfect vehicle to go on the Devil's Lake and go have some fun with the kayaks and stuff like that. So that's a wrap.
Come down and see us. Waukesha Mitsubishi. We have plenty of other used vehicles.